Welcome to this tutorial on installing Catalyst Professional on Ubuntu 22 and 24 machines. This video will outline how to install and uninstall the software, as well as the demo data. To begin, from our Downloads webpage, download the latest version of the Catalyst Professional software and demo data according to your Ubuntu machine. This tutorial uses Ubuntu 24. Once the files are downloaded, unzip the installation file. Then copy or move the installation and demo.deb files to the TMP folder. Open up a terminal and enter the command sudo apt update. This ensures system packages are up to date before installing the software. Next, install the .deb file through the apt package manager with the sudo apt install command. Ensure to include the path to the installation package. Catalyst Professional is now installed on your machine. The installation folder is the Catalyst Pro directory found in the opt folder. A catalystpro.eh file is also created, which must be sourced to add the necessary software components for Python scripting. You can source it temporarily for every new non-login terminal with the command source and the path to the file. It can also be sourced permanently by adding an extra line to the user's .bashrc file. Open the .bashrc file in the home directory with the vi command and insert the line and save. Now that Catalyst Professional is fully set up, you can start the software. Navigate to the exe folder in the installation directory and enter the command./catalystpro to open the toolbar. Like with Windows, you will be prompted to sign in or create an account to activate a trial. Once you sign in, the toolbar opens and you're ready to use the software. Installing the demo data follows the same process as the software. Ensure the .deb file is copied to the TMP directory. Install the package with the command sudo apt install and add the path to the demo data installation file. The demo data is now installed in the demo folder within the software installation directory. If you need to uninstall the software, enter the command sudo apt remove Catalyst Pro full. The command runs and deletes Catalyst Professional from your machine. Similarly, to uninstall the demo data, use the command sudo apt remove Catalyst Pro demo data. Once the uninstalls are complete, you can optionally remove the installed dependencies with sudo apt auto remove. Catalyst Professional, along with the demo data and the installed dependencies, are now removed from your Linux machine. You can review these instructions in the Catalyst Professional Installation Guide, which comes with the installation package.